Hey guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 16. So today we will go and we will talk about the communication, and today we will finish the chapter. So please watch this video, attend your class and watch this video till last. Do not skip the video and spend your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Today again I will upload the homework on website, so you can go there, check your homework and complete your homework in fair copy. And please complete your homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. Protect yourself and your family from this virus. Stay happy and enjoy your online classes also. So before starting the new topic, that is airways, we will take a short look at what we have learned earlier related from this chapter. But before starting the chapter, I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So here we go, let's start the chapter. So first of all, I have explained you much more times about the transport, that transport refers to a way of carrying people and goods from one place to another by landways, by airways and by waterways. So many years ago that people used animals for transport. After that it become like developing countries there, so it developed. Then after that the wheel was invented, and then people started using carts to move around. Then after some times the different means of transport keep changing with time to time. Now today, if we will talk about today, then today we have many different ways of traveling, like the roadways, waterways, railways and airways. So we know that better means of transport have made traveling much easier and comfortable. The type of transport, it depends always on the distance, that how much we have to carry, how much we have to go distance, the cost, that how much we can spend the money, and the size of the things, like many more things or goods is there to be transported. We know that we use road or rail transport for shorter distance and air or sea for longer distances. Now first of all, roadways. Roadways are the most important mode of transport. In India, today's and nowadays, new and better roads are built every year. In fact, roads can be divided into two types depending on the materials which is used for making the road. First of all, the Pakka roads, and the second is Kacha road. So the Pakka road is what? It is a road that is long lasting. It is the road made with the long lasting material like the cement and tar, that are called the metal or Pakka roads. Even these roads can be used all around year and even in the rainy season also. Now about the Kacha road, it is made with it is a road which are usually smaller path made of mud, and they are very difficult to travel on that road and cannot be used in fact during the rainy season. So nowadays in our country we have a long roads, that is called the highways, which is truly connected with towns and cities. national highways, and we have state highways. So national highways, it is always connected with the important cities and towns all over the country. And the state highways is the link which is important for the towns and cities within our state. Now in India, in our country, we have oldest highway that is the Grand Trunk Road, which was built by Sher Shah Suri in the 16th century CE. This Grand Trunk Road, it connected Peshawar, which is now in Pakistan, to Sonargaon, which is in Bangladesh. In fact, this road runs through the northern and the central and the eastern India, which connecting the many places like the Delhi, Aurangabad and Howrah. So in mountains, if we will talk about the mountain, that how we can go with the roadways on the mountain. For that, the tunnels are dug through the hills, like a hole, this type of hole, and then inside the tunnel has made to through the hills to make roads. So during winter season, the snow has to be cleared regularly to make the road usable and visible. So to connect two rivers bank, like suppose river is there, two river is there, then the bridge have to be built first, then after the road are then built over the bridges. So we know that the road are very important, roadways are very important for us, because many items that we used, that we need, the people of the country needs, citizens, such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, etc., are transported by the road to different parts of our country. So that's why the roadways are one of the most important mode of transport. Next, if we will talk about the different traveling, then the next is the railways. Railways are very important means of transport. Railways, they are the cheapest means of transport for a long distance on land. So first of all, the British has introduced the railway in India, that the first train ran in India in 1853 between Mumbai and Thane. Earlier, the steam engines was used to pull the trains, but nowadays we have a trains which runs through the electricity, and train journey become much faster and more comfortable nowadays. So we have two kinds of trains, that is passenger trains and good trains. Passenger trains which carry peoples from one place to another, and the good trains which carry the goods such as coal, cattle, grains, etc. from one place to another. Next is our waterways. So waterways, like we know that waterways such as the ship, boat, and which these all are the means of travel over waterways, and these it can use for a long distance. If we want to go on holiday, then we can decide to go with the seas, and here we can carry many goods on the port, and we can carry the goods from one place to another, one port to another also. Next is the railways, and railways is the fastest means and more expensive means of transport. It is used for a long distance, and these all connected through the India cities. It is connected by air. So like aeroplanes and helicopters, it is used to carry the light goods and valuable things. In fact, it can used to send the mails also. So during the droughts, floods, earthquakes, even in war also, the aeroplane and helicopter, it used to drop the food, medicines, water and the required things for the people in the affected areas. After that, over the years, small planes have now given way to bigger planes. Air travel is very expensive, but the number of people traveling by the air. So that's why the number of airlines have increased nowadays. So newer and better airports are made in our country. Now we have two types of airplanes. What were the types that we will see in the next video? So please guys watch the next videos. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.